Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is South India special grated coconut rice. This coconut rice is a festival special and also prepared on many special occasions, and it is also a delicious lunchbox recipe. This rice is prepared with freshly grated coconut and spices. This is a very simple recipe, so without any delay, let's see how do we prepare this rice. First, take half cup of rice with a measuring cup. Here I am using basmati rice. You can also use Sona Masuri rice, but basmati rice gives a nice flavor to the dish. Now soak this basmati rice in 1 cup of water for 15 minutes. Even if you are using Sona Masuri rice, soak it for 15 minutes. So first heat the pan. To this add 1 cup of water. Now add half teaspoon salt. Mix and let water come to a boil. Once water comes to a boil, add soaked rice to the water. Stir once. Now cover and cook on a low flame until rice is cooked for 95%. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the lid. Now you can see rice is cooked. Don't let the rice get mushy. Turn off the flame. Gently fluff the rice with a spoon or a spatula. Keep it aside and let it cool down completely. Do not cover with the lid, just keep it aside. Once rice cools down, heat the pan. To this add 1 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoons ghee, and let ghee melt on a medium heat. Once ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let it splutter. Next add half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon urad dal and chana dal, 2 teaspoons peanuts, 8 to 10 cashews. Saute on a low medium flame until nuts are lightly roasted. Next add 1 sprig curry leaves, 2 dry red chilli and 1 green chilli. Saute for few seconds. Now add quarter teaspoon hing. Mix and saute for few seconds. Now keep the flame to low and add 1 cup grated coconut. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Saute for few seconds till the raw smell goes. Make sure keep the flame on low. Now add cooked basmati rice. Toss well with coconut and spices. Once everything mixed, leave it on a low flame for a minute to allow the rice to absorb all the flavors. After a minute, give a quick stir and turn off the flame. Our delicious grated coconut rice is ready. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.